What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. We're over here at the SFAR YPN panelists Rising Star. I'm gonna be on stage. We're gonna be dropping some bombs, and I'm gonna tell people the truth, man. This business ain't all what it makes it out to be. I think I go to a lot of these events and people kind of sugarcoat it. I'm gonna be real. Let's go.
Brian, Trey, get up here. 50 Hills Real Estate.
The entrepreneur, the man of many businesses and talents. We all started together at Vanguard.
That's right.
And we're all of us.
Time, sells real estate now.
Yeah.
Hey guys, I'm Brian with 50 Hills Real Estate. We're based out here in San Francisco, but our team's so big we kind of sell everywhere now. It only took 9 years to become a rising star. But I'm here. Real estate's still fun, and I can't wait to tell you guys all my secrets. Let's go.
I love it. We're getting to
One good tidbit on how to be successful to your younger self just getting into the business.
This business is tough, so if I can go back and give myself a little tip, I would get a mentor and join a team early on. Somebody that actually cares about you and will actually spend the time to guide you when you make a mistake. Coaching school, Tom Ferry, Mike Ferry, all those guys, but that's a weekly or bi-weekly call. And when you hop on a call, they'll give you like a couple of assignments. But if you screw up, you just screwed up for 2 weeks and you didn't even know it. So a mentor would be able to be like, no, you kind of messed up, go back this way. So that's kind of one thing, like off the bat.
What's your favorite prospect activity now versus when you first started?
Digital sort of marketing was pretty key for me. And so basically my first listing lead came from Facebook.
You know, it's funny because I started out cold calling, and I don't love it, I don't hate it, but you have to do it. You have to do what you don't like. Like, stop. I mean, I agree with you guys, but in the beginning.
No, disagree, please.
I mean, if you guys, you're making money. Making money is not fun and easy. If it's fun and easy, it's not like, this business is hard.
Yeah.
So sometimes you gotta do what you don't wanna do to make what you don't have. Get uncomfortable. Social media is great. I do a bunch of it. I shoot like 3 videos a day. PJ's running around with the camera right there. We come out with a lot of content, and it's free. Well, it's not free because I pay him, but you guys can do it for free. And check it out, she paid. Or you can do reels. I did 3 videos a day for 30 days. We reached 181,000 people. How much does it cost to reach 181,000 people if you were to pay? Probably so $300, right? Well, imagine if you do that and you do the paid, you reach a bunch of people. Earlier in the office, I was kind of bored, and we have a list of expireds. Expireds are back. You should be calling expired. In 10 freaking minutes, I called, I got 2 contacts. One person actually is like really serious, name's David. I'll give you guys a number if you guys want to call him. I don't care. But go back to some of the basic stuff. Do all of it. You guys have 8 hours a day. I mean, if you really treat this, somebody said that you should treat this like a real job. If you guys really work 8 hours a day, you have enough time for social media, phone calls, follow-up, CRM, and all the other crap that goes with this job.
And going back to the basics, Aaron and I built our business on open houses.
What gets me going is that, I don't know about you guys, but I have this feeling like I was put on this planet to just kind of go at my all. And I'm not dead, my arm, everything works, I feel good. So I wake up and I'm like, I'm not gonna waste this day. I'm gonna keep pushing and I'm gonna see how far I can go. And if it means, in terms of monetary or physical or growth, that's what I'm chasing. It's kind of like a high. Everybody has that adrenaline high. Mine is kind of like, how far can I go? And when I look back at my deathbed, I'm gonna be like, man, I'm the man. My dad passed away when I was 2011. His medical bill was $2.5 million, right? And so that, like, at a young age, I was like 19 when he passed away, and I was like, man, you gotta make a lot of money here. Just remember, like, we live in America, it's a great country, but it's expensive. So go out there and make a lot. I wake up, I crush it, because I still can. That's what gets me up and gets me going. I go to the gym, pumping iron. I want my team to win. In 5 years, I don't know what it looks like. I mean, I'm not gonna sit here and say I want 50 agents or 100 agents. I don't know what that looks like. I want the team that we have right here to be more well-rounded, right? not just sell real estate, because selling real estate will make you a lot of money, by no means, but, you know, teach them how to invest, open up other businesses so that when the Fed meets like today and everybody's like, oh my God, rates are gonna go up, I'm scared. You're kind of sitting back here like, well, I got other stuff going on. So something along those lines, and you know, I'm not gonna stress it too much. Have fun, make some money, make sure everybody makes a good living, and
Do you have any advice to extend your sphere of influence or let people know, connect with you, but not afraid of like, don't sell me everything like that? So thank you.
don't be afraid to be salesy. I think I was talking to them today, like, be salesy. Who cares? Because if they don't like it, they're not gonna buy from you, right? And so what? They were never gonna buy from you. So just do it, and eventually the people who know you, like you, and support you, they will still buy from you. So just, like, it's a limiting belief, like, oh, I don't wanna say this, I don't wanna do that. Go do it. There's like 7 billion people in the world. Go ask for some business, you know? If one person says no, go ask somebody else. So that's my thing, and I tell them all the time, just go do it.
And it's hard being salesy, but you're helping them make a good decision, right? You're not selling them a lemon. You're helping them make a good financial decision for the future. So that's what you're selling. And drop them in your CRM, drop them in your database, and
identify what you're working on marketing wise. Like, is it you sit down once a week or once a month, or how do you set yourself up for success between all of the amazing things you've talked about today?
Get yourself a team like mine, and you got Alex and Brandon, all those killers over there. You can work on your business 24/7 like me. I'm just up here making a mess and trying to get creative with stuff. But realistically, time block an hour a week. Go over all your social, go over everything that's worked. You know, we kind of got bad at this because of COVID, but now we're meeting up once a week to kind of go over where are we with the financials, and where do we want to go. And then Justin, our beautiful admin over there, executes everything like really good.
I'm joining your team before this night.
Oh, let's do it.
Like, I'm in for